Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Makers. I am Dan. Today I have a little tool tip slash tool recommendation for you, so stick around. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I've got a small tool tip, tool recommendation for you. Not even really a tool, it's just something that I didn't know about until I got one, how much I would enjoy using this. It has to do with flashlights. We all need flashlights. We all hate that you can't find one when you need one, even though you have probably tons of them, tons of the small ones and big ones, and they never have batteries in them. That's always been a frustration of mine. You know, you get these for, I get these for free with, at work. You know, they're fine to me. They're more of a toy for my kids to play around with in the house than any kind of real utility to them. Got some, this one is it's got a flashlight on the end. It's an extendable and it's magnet. So there's a magnet on the end with the flashlight. So you can go back behind something. I keep this down in the shop. If I drop a screw back behind a workbench or something, I like this one a lot. Then you have your bigger flashlights. I would recommend this one if you're looking for a big beefy flashlight. This is made by Rayovac. It is called the Beast. It is crazy bright LED flashlight. It has 3 modes, bright, dim, and then it's got a strobe mode on it. If you're looking for compact with a lot of power, I recommend this. They make a rechargeable version of this now, which I would maybe get, because one of the only drawbacks that I've found with this flashlight is the battery. And you may have never heard of these batteries before. These are 123A batteries. It takes 4 of them, and these are about $15 for 2. So it's about $30 to replace the small little batteries in this. It's worth it to me because it's such a great flashlight. I do find that it loses juice pretty quickly. It loses its main punch pretty quickly if you are on bright mode constantly. I have found myself using the dim mode. It's plenty bright and the batteries don't go dead quite as fast. So there's my recommendation for a big flashlight. But the main thing in this video, the main flashlight I want to talk about is this. This is a Dewalt shop flashlight. I got this in a kit, in a multi-tool kit that I got as a gift, which had the drill, the impact driver, a circular saw, and this. And I always saw these in the store, excuse me, and I thought they were kind of a novelty, like, oh yeah, well, you know, why am I gonna get a flashlight for my cordless Dewalt kit? It is amazing. Because I always find that I have these charged all the time. And when I need a flashlight, I've always got a battery ready for it. This particular model, I think a lot of the model, even the different manufacturers, this is a feature on them, but it's indexed to go to different angles, which is amazing. If you're working, I was working underneath the sink the other day, and I could set this down underneath the sink, do that, turn it on, it's plenty bright, and I had light right where I needed it. Lay it down, it's got this little, I guess this is a tool belt hook or whatever, but you could hang it from somewhere if you wanted to. The kids use it outside. I use it all over the place. I use it at work. It's got the comfortable, like, I guess you'd call it like a pistol grip. It's amazing. I'm pretty sure every manufacturer of cordless tools makes some version of this, and I would highly, highly recommend picking one up. They're a little bit pricey. I'm not sure what this one costs on its own. We could maybe put that down here, what the Dewalt adjustable pistol grip flashlight costs on its own. Like I said, I got this in a kit. It was just an extra, and I'm so glad I got it because I use it all the time, all the time. I don't even use the Beast much anymore, just because of the batteries. You know, the money you're gonna put into buying this, you're gonna save in not having to buy batteries for a flashlight. So, yeah, highly recommend, highly recommend. Trying to think of anything else with this flashlight. If you have the Dewalt, another nice thing about the Dewalt, if you don't have it, if you want looking for a kit to buy, is these have the battery indicator on the batteries. It tells you how much juice is in it, which is another awesome feature. Yeah, I'm in love with this thing. I use it so much. So that's it. Go out and get yourself a cordless, battery-powered, rechargeable flashlight, and you will be happy and thankful that you did. Thanks. Thanks for joining me today. Like, subscribe, share, all that with these videos. We very much appreciate people watching. And have a great day.